Manual loan underwriting is a complex process. Very frequently, underwriters spend days, maybe weeks, trying to process complex data, integrate with various tools, just to arrive to this conclusion, whether the loan should be approved or rejected. I'm Ruben Gargaloyan, founder and CEO of Tyrus AI. I'll be showing you our system, which integrates with loan origination systems and streamlines that underwriting process to render days or weeks of tedious and stressful work down to 10-15 minutes. Let's delve into the demo. Okay, here is the simulation when all the data supposedly transferred from your loan origination system, your existing established system, to our subsystem, which integrates with you, and all the PII has already been transferred. I filled up the form and it's hidden. The only thing which is here are W-2 form and bank statements. So that's also going to be provided by your loan origination system. And I'm adding it to this simulation. I'm adding a fraudulent W-2, where I intentionally made some corrections, some tweaks to win the loan, and bank statement, which I also tweaked for securing a loan, quote unquote. And now when I press submit button, the automated underwriting process will start. And as part of that process, I'll receive a phone call that would question me and ask me FACTA questions, or the 4 standard questions that credit agency generates. So to validate that I'm the person who I pretend I am. And let's see how it works. Please stand by. Here is the phone call, and now I'm answering this. Hello, this is Ruben.
Hi, this is Arthur with the loan verification team. I just need to confirm I'm speaking with Ruben Gargaloyan. Are you Ruben Gargaloyan?
Yes, I am.
Great, thank you. I'm going to ask you a few verification questions. Each question will have several choices. Please answer after I finish reading all the choices. Is that okay?
Yes.
Thank you. First question, which of the following streets have you lived on? Option A, 52 Maple Avenue. Option B, 19 Willow Court. Option C, 456 Oak Street. Option D, 119 Commonwealth Avenue.
Option
Please
B.
let me know your answer.
Option B, Willow Court.
Thank you for your answer. Next question. You opened a mortgage around May 2019. Who was the lender? Option A, Bank of America. Option B, Wells Fargo. Option C, Chase. Option D, Citibank.
Wells
Please
Fargo.
let me know your answer. Thank you. Next question. Which of the following cities is associated with an address on your file? Option A, Tempe, Arizona. Option B, Claymont, Delaware. Option C, Raleigh, North Carolina. Option D, Orlando, Florida. Please let me know your answer.
Option D, Orlando, Florida.
Thank you. Final question. What is the approximate monthly mortgage payment reported for that loan? Option A, $1,450. Option B, $1,250. Option C, $1,350. Option D, $1,550.
Option D.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
Option D.
Thanks for verifying that information with me. Goodbye and take care.
And now, while the automated underwriting process is in progress, we can land on our application list. These are all manual review applications. And this can be integrated with the look and feel of your specific loan origination system. That's just a proof of concept for some design. We can rapidly adjust to your specific requirements. Here, let's delve into an application that's been processed and examine what's in here. So first, see there's an OFAC match, and this is 100% score, which means that match did not found. I'm not in there. I provided my last name and first name. FACTA, apparently my answers were just 50% accurate. And here you see the wrong answers and correct answers. That's the underwriter's view of the FACTA outcome. Property evaluations. So these are the reviews by different property providers, value providers, Zillow, Rentcast, Black Knight, and we can integrate more as needed. And finally, an interesting details about your document verification. As you remember, I uploaded intentionally fraudulent W-2, hence the low score in red. And the comment of the agent is that suspicious activity, suspicious document source, presumably word editor, document is an image, incorrect tax wage computed. So there's incompatibility with what's reflected on this form. Same about statement. See also the red activity, suspicious activity document contain a suspicious address, and I did fudge an address to kind of look good in the banking statement. Finally, the AI summarizer analyzes all these scores, all this data, and runs its own algorithm to weight and decide whether it's a go, whether the loan application manual review should be approved or rejected. And obviously, in this case, it's a strong reject. And here, there's very very low confidence score that AI agent provided, suggesting the underwriter person to follow up with this. So essentially, for the underwriter, is just an information that he or she can review and then make a final decision. We'll obviously put a man in the middle for this use case. And now underwriter can say reject, provide the reason that yes, because so on. So essentially can either leverage what AI agent provided or write its own explanation, and then that application will be rejected. And what it took is just 15 minutes or 10 minutes of processing, depends on the case. Additionally, underwriter can look at the logs, and this has the low level information of all steps, all processes which were automatically executed. For instance, for FACTA, as a user provided consent, we captured all the conversation. And here you see the transcript of conversation, the answers. On the low level details, you can see the duration of the answers, which can also do separate additional facts about how that specific borrower behaved. And you can see the actual verification of the documents. And this is a low level details of how that provider decided to mark it as a fraud or inconclusive. And finally, cherry on the cake, we have a chatbot that is context sensitive. So essentially, it can answer to the arbitrary questions of the underwriter. For instance, underwriter may ask for this application provide detailed property information, for instance, with image. Let's see what bot does. So now bot crunches all the data that's collected for this application and will provide the answer. Here you go. So essentially, it gave property address, Zillow estimate, Rentcast estimate, etc. All the information about how many baths, year built, features, and an image as requested. So now underwriter can have a better understanding of what it is. Additionally, we provide analytics, and this is just a basic analytics showing processed versus pending, but you can always add your analytics, your requirements, which can be either automatically generated by the chatbot or included embedded into the deployment. Thank you very much. Hope this application will be useful for your use cases. Please feel free to fill in the form, contact form that appears right after this video playback, or contact us via our info email. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.